Hello friends, Shushmita here, and today I have a question to discuss. And the question is, input percentage of marks and find the grade obtained by a student. Percentage of marks is greater than equals to 18, grade distinction. Percentage of marks is greater than equal to 60 and less than 80, first honors. Percentage of marks is greater than equal to 50 and less than 60, second honors. Percentage of marks greater than equals to 40 and less than 50, promoted. Less than 40 is not promoted. So as you can see, we first input percentage of marks. M int input enter a number. Sorry, here we want to say input enter percentage of marks. Then if m is greater than equals to 80, print distinction. If m is greater than equals to 60, percentage print first honors. If m is greater than equals to 50, print second honors. If m is greater than equals to 40, promoted. Else print not promoted. So now save the command and run the module. It is prompted for percentage of marks 80 distinction. '79 first honors, 60 first honors, 50 second honors, 59 second honors, 40 promoted, less than 40, that is 39 not promoted. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code. If you have any questions or query, please write on comment box, and see you in next video.